Can you tell whether two documents were written by the same person, or whether one of them wasn't written by a person at all? AuthorLens answers that question entirely offline, using local sentence embeddings and no third-party API calls. The core idea: embed each document with a local sentence transformer model, then compute pairwise cosine similarity across sentence-level chunks. That gives you a fingerprint, a distributional signature of vocabulary choices, sentence rhythm, and syntactic patterns. What makes it explainable is that instead of returning a single score, the tool surfaces which specific passages drove the similarity up or down, so you can see exactly where two authors diverge or where an AI-generated section breaks the human pattern. There's no black box verdict, just vectors and distances you can audit. To run it, clone the repo, install the dependencies with pip, then pass two text files as arguments. The model downloads once and runs locally after that. Output is a JSON report with per-chunk similarity scores and a top-level attribution verdict. This project was built by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed, screenplay, code, and deployment handled end-to-end without manual intervention. The repo and full documentation are at Ritik Paddle on GitHub. If authorship verification or AI text detection is relevant to your work, the code is there.